Hello, welcome to this channel. In previous video we covered this custom tab bar navigation animation, so if you are interested you can check the URL down in the description. But in this video I will be building this badge fade in fade out bouncy effect animation. So without further ado, let's jump into the VS Code and start building. So I have prepared some boilerplate code. This is the code what we did in the previous video. I also have some things prepared in here, so I will leave the URL for this boilerplate code in the description down below, so you can download it and you will have everything I have right now here. The app is up and running, and let's start building. Okay, we don't need this one. We need to create some header here, maybe just view. Oh, what? React Native, yeah. And let's give it some styling. Styling will be with 100%. Align item center, justify content space between, flex direction row, padding horizontal. Yeah, that seems to be okay. Let's have it badge here, and let's have also bell icon from Lucid Icons. Okay, yeah, that looks good. We can just have gray here, and that's it. And in here, okay, let's move this code, this styling as well. Styles, header. Okay, so here, as you can see, when the badge is changing, this tilted background stays always there. So let's start building this first. Create just a self-closing view and give it some style. So width will be badge width, and height will be badge height. PG color, let's give it some strong colors, for example red, and yeah, and give it border radius badge height divided by 2. Yeah, I think for now that's okay. Let's give it position absolute. Let's put it inside the view, so there won't be any issue with the layout. And give this view some styling. Height will be badge height, badge width, position, let's give it a relative. Okay, that's good. We can have 100%. 100%. That's good. Okay, we can move the styles into the style sheet. Styles, placeholder BG. Placeholder BG, and yep. Okay, that's great. Let's give it transfer origin to left, because this tilted is from left. It's tilted like from left, and give it transform. Rotate Z should be in the rotation, and also translate Y should be in back. Translate Y. Okay, that already looks amazing. Let's create badge item, and we can create that into the components badge item.tsx. Okay, that's good. Import it. Great. And let's go here and do some coding. Yep, let's give some container styles. Position absolute, width 100%, height 100%, justify content, flex start, align item center, padding 7, flex direction row, gap let's give it 10, background color blue, and border radius as well. We can just import that. Yep. And we can give it a transfer origin left because gonna be bouncing from the left side. Yeah, I think that's good. We can add some things inside this container, which will be view with the icon in it. And let's bring this icon here. And the second view, no. And here will be the text from React Native, and yeah, something like value of the bid, or I don't know what can be there. Yeah, let's provide this information from above. Actually, for now, we could do something like this. Let's just comment this. So we have only one item inside, and map that. Those are currencies. Yeah, currencies, map, currency, badge, and key, currency, currency, it's okay, and icon, currency, icon. Yep. So now let's give you some styling here. Style, justify content center, align item center, BG color white, width will be icon, usually 28, and we can, okay, it's okay, we can do that. Yep, it looks good. We can move the styles as well from here. Styles, icon, container, icon, container, and that will be the styles. Let's style the text as well. Value text. Let's give this font family, which will be Goldman bold. Great. And font size 18. Okay, let's check each individual currency. Great. Yeah. So we need now to start animating those. Currently, all those currencies are stacked on top of each other because the position is absolute, and yeah, those currencies are on top of each other, and that's the expected behavior. So now let's move this style also out. Styles, badge, container. Yep. And let's change that to pressable, so we can do some actions on the on press on this badge, and create the state here. Let's do that 0, and also create the const handle press function, where this will be a little bit different. Okay, press index, press index +1. Yeah, that's right. And on press. So now we have active index, which we can provide to badge, and that will be like this. Number. Also, we can take the value here as well. And also we can take the color. And add this color here. Oh, not here. Not here. That was my mistake. That will be here. Not here. That will be here. Background color. Yeah, that's great. So we now have active index, and also we should have index here. And we can check which one is active. And we can start animating as well. So let's create const, let's call it animated value, which will be something like that. And let's create also animated styles. Use animated style, import that from React Native Reanimated, and return here some styling. Let's start with z-index, and also create use effects here, active index is active, and animated value dot value, oh sorry, here that was my mistake, use shared value, which will be 0 by default, and here it will be, yeah, that's good. We can give this to the container. Yeah, we need to import the animated from React Native Reanimated and make this view as an animated view. Okay, yeah, that works. We need to add some smooth animations. Let's do opacity. Opacity will be with timing animation value. Let's check. Okay, that's good. Let's give transform. And in transform, that will be rotate Z with spring. Let's import that. Animated value is equal to 0. Then in active rotation, otherwise 0 degrees. Yep, we can add some spring config here, which will be damping maybe 20, stiffness maybe 900, and mass should be 0.8, 0.9. Okay, that's better. What's left now is this placeholder background animation, which we can implement right away. Let's convert that to animated view. Animated view, and create animated styles. Const styles reanimated. Use animated style. We can import that and return background color. And we need to have something like item when first badge is active. We need to have placeholder background color the last item. When second item is active, then we need to have this one as a background color, and when third one, this one. So we can do that something like this with timing, so the color will change with animation. Import that, currencies, and here will be if active index is equal to 2, so it's last item, then we need to have the first item's background color, so it will be 0. Otherwise we need to have active index plus 1 and duration. Okay, that's great, and give that to here. Pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's add some transition animations here with which like it's easy and nice to have, so let's add it. Entering, fade in right, springify, and exiting, fade in left, springify. Yeah, whole header is animating. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's it for this video. If you learned something new from this video, please leave a like and subscribe the channel. If you want to download this end code, you can check the description. Don't forget that in the third part we will create this very nice card sliding animation, so stay tuned. Yeah, I'll see you in the next time.